MULN is now again racing against time to meet an impending challenge, the need for its stock to surge to $1 before September 5th. It's a crucial race, one that's underscored by the fact that this isn't the first time MULN Automotive has faced such a situation. In fact, they've already undergone 2 reverse stock splits this year alone, a move usually reserved for companies struggling to maintain their stock price. And now, with just a handful of days left, the pressure is on to see if MULN stock can pull off a remarkable turnaround. To give you an idea of how critical the situation is, MULN Automotive has undergone not 1 but 2 reverse stock splits this year. The first, a 1-4-25 split on May 4th, was followed by another 1-4-9 split on August 11th. These splits are like maneuvers of financial engineering aimed at preventing the company's stock price from falling below certain thresholds. But here's the catch. There's a hard and fast rule set by the Nasdaq Stock Exchange that demands a minimum stock price of $1. And with September 5th fast approaching, MULN finds itself with a mere 10 business days, due to Labor Day, to make sure their stock price doesn't dip below that critical dollar mark. It's a race against time for MULN stock to not only avoid falling but to rise significantly and stay afloat. In addition, MULN stock situation adds an extra layer of complexity to the challenge. Currently, MULN stock is being traded at a value in the mid-40 cents range. This stands in stark contrast to the Nasdaq requirement of $1 per share. To bridge this gap, a surge of more than 100% is essential within a remarkably short time. This significant jump is no small feat and puts immense pressure on the company's stock to make an astonishing climb upwards in just a matter of days. Moreover, MULN attempted to address its stock's decline by initiating a substantial $25 million buyback program on August 16th. The idea behind such a program is that the company purchases its own shares from the market, thereby reducing the overall number of outstanding shares and potentially bolstering the stock price. However, despite this move, the outcome has been far from the desired trajectory. Since the buyback program's launch, MULN stock has seen a staggering decline of more than 50%. This decline casts a shadow over the effectiveness of the buyback program in propping up the stock price. Even in the face of a substantial financial commitment by the company, the stock's downward trajectory raises questions about the underlying issues that might influence investor sentiment and market dynamics. There are also rumors swirling around the potential implementation of another reverse stock split by MULN to meet the compliance requirements. This would entail consolidating the company's outstanding shares, effectively reducing their quantity, with the aim of boosting the per-share value. Such a strategy could potentially pull the stock price above the minimum $1 threshold. However, this path isn't a straightforward one. Any decision to pursue another reverse split would necessitate approval from the company's shareholders. This implies that the shareholders, who have already seen multiple reverse splits this year, would have to give their consent to yet another one. This dynamic adds a layer of uncertainty, as it's unclear how the shareholders would react to the prospect of further consolidation and potential stock value fluctuations. Furthermore, another reverse stock split could potentially trigger immediate delisting action from Nasdaq if the stock price fails to maintain the minimum requirement even after the consolidation. Another concern by investors and observers centers around CEO David Michiri's involvement in the company's stock dynamics. Michiri is slated to receive a substantial 30 million shares of MULN stock as part of his performance stock award agreement. This incentivizes him to meet certain corporate milestones, like producing a prototype of the MULN 5 for customer testing by the end of October 2023 and securing full U.S. certification for MULN's Class 3 van by December 2023. These milestones could influence Michiri's drive to meet them before the deadlines. In a noteworthy move, Michiri recently executed an insider purchase of 102,040 shares of MULN stock, with a value exceeding $100,000. However, this purchase is more than just a financial transaction. It indicates his commitment to the company's future and the faith he places in its potential for growth. Though not spontaneous, this purchase demonstrates his belief that MULN stock holds value and potential despite its current situation. Yet, there are implications for both the company and its shareholders. On the one hand, Michiri's sizable insider purchase reflects positively on his dedication to turning things around. It conveys that he's personally invested in the company's success. On the other hand, awarding 30 million shares as part of his performance agreement may raise questions about the alignment of interests. As the CEO gains more shares, dilution becomes a concern for existing shareholders who have already experienced substantial losses. Michiri's actions, while reflecting his commitment and confidence, also underscore the complexities of leadership in a challenging financial landscape. His purchases and awards influence the company's trajectory, impacting shareholder sentiment and decisions. Now, investors might wonder about the disheartening ranking that MULN stock has received from Investors Observer, positioning it right at the bottom of the consumer cyclical sector. This low rating, given a score of 0, signifies that MULN stock is considered more attractive than 0% of other stocks. It's a stark portrayal of the company's challenges, especially within its industry context. This ranking isn't derived from a single factor, but from a comprehensive analysis considering multiple metrics. The scoring system adopted by Investors Observer is designed to encompass technical indicators, fundamental analysis, and even the insights shared by analysts on Wall Street. This composite approach helps investors gain a more well-rounded view of a stock's overall standing. When examining MULN stock, it's clear that the factors contributing to its low ranking are varied. From a technical standpoint, the stock's recent performance and trend are likely dragging down its score. Fundamental analysis, which delves into the company's financial health and earnings potential, also plays a role. If key financial metrics don't align with expectations, it can negatively impact the overall rating. Analyst opinions, a significant element in shaping investor sentiment, are also considered. The consensus among analysts might reflect doubts about the company's ability to navigate its current challenges and regain its footing. Negative opinions, even if speculative, can weigh down a stock's ranking. But before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. Furthermore, CEO David Michieri's response to the stock's decline has become an open letter to shareholders. In this communication, he expresses his deep disappointment at the mismatch between the company's actual value and the trading price of its stock. Michieri is not shy about pointing out that despite meeting significant corporate milestones, the stock's value remains under downward pressure from traders, leading to a continued fall in price. Acknowledging the gravity of the situation, MULN Automotive has also taken a proactive step by enlisting ShareIntel to investigate potential market manipulation and illegal short selling of MULN stock. This move reflects the company's commitment to ensuring fair play and transparency within the market. ShareIntel's expertise in investigating such matters signals that MULN is serious about addressing concerns over potential market misconduct. Moreover, Michieri's letter hints at an imminent update regarding the progress of the investigation. The letter suggests that shareholders can expect to receive more information in the coming days. This upcoming update holds the promise of shedding light on the extent of any market manipulation, short selling, or other irregularities that might influence MULN stock's performance. So now that MULN Automotive finds itself at a crucial crossroads, facing the dual challenge of stock compliance and market perception, investors are presented with considerable uncertainty. The company's efforts to meet compliance deadlines and address stock value issues are fraught with complexities, reflecting a volatile market landscape. For potential and existing investors alike, it's essential to monitor the company's developments closely. Staying informed about these pivotal moves and being attuned to the stock's progress can equip you with the insights you need to make informed decisions. So, do you think MULN Automotive will rise to the challenge and navigate these stormy waters to secure a brighter future? Let us know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know more about MULN stock, I highly recommend watching this amazing video. Just click this video right here and enjoy. Thank you for tuning in and happy investing.